So folks, there's this groundbreaking study from UC San Diego that's really turning heads, right? They found that an old drug, thiophene, might actually regenerate nerve cells in the spinal cord, offering hope for reversing paralysis. Imagine an already approved drug being repurposed to stimulate nerve regrowth.
That's wild. How exactly does it work? I mean, what's the mechanism behind it?
Well, the researchers used these advanced bioinformatics tools to analyze gene expression during nerve regeneration. They identified certain genetic patterns that encourage neuron growth and then cross-referenced these with known drugs, which is how thiophene popped up as this potential game changer.
So essentially, they tapped into existing data to find a match. That's like finding a secret key in a massive labyrinth of genes.
Exactly. It's like, uncovering a hidden piece in a giant puzzle. And get this, when they tested it on human neurons in the lab and also on rats with spinal injuries, the results were staggering. The rats showed about a 50% improvement in fine motor skills, and when they combined it with neural stem cell transplants, recovery rates actually doubled. That multi-pronged approach is really exciting.
Hold up a minute though. Aren't these still preclinical trials? I mean, animal models are promising, but do you think we might be overestimating the jump to human trials?
Sure, that's a fair point. It's definitely still in the preclinical stage, so we have to be cautious. But the fact that thiophene already has a safety profile in humans for other uses does help smooth the transition towards clinical trials.
Yeah, exactly.
It really sets a foundation to build on.
And this approach of using computational methods to repurpose old drugs isn't just a one-off. Could it really revolutionize treatment for spinal injuries and maybe other neurological issues as well?
Absolutely. It's like the integration of modern computational biology with traditional pharmacology is paving the way for many more breakthroughs. Imagine if we can map gene behavior and then match it with existing safe drugs, it could fast-track therapies that were considered out of reach before. It's a whole new paradigm in regenerative medicine.
It's truly inspiring. I mean, after decades of thinking spinal injuries were almost irreversible, here we could be on the cusp of changing that narrative entirely with this new method.
Exactly. This discovery isn't just about one drug, it's about reshaping our approach to neurological repair altogether. With further research and careful testing, we might see a future where paralysis isn't a life sentence.
Right. Fascinating stuff. It really shows how blending old drugs with modern tech can lead to surprising new solutions.